For a long time, some careers were seen as not for girls. Welding, construction, automotive, energy, HVAC, collision repair. But that's changing.
I've learned to paint and I've learned to do body prep.
I feel more comfortable with everything and I'm still learning things as I go.
And I feel much more comfortable in here, and I've learned a lot from this program.
It's pretty cool being here in this class.
These young women are stepping into fields where they've been underrepresented and making them their own.
I've always liked being creative with my hands, so I saw that I could take that into the construction field.
Honestly, I've always been into cars. So whenever in my freshman year, whenever they were showing us all the options in JVH, whenever they showed us about collision, it gave us it showed more opportunities, more skills. It offered more.
I've always wanted to be a welder, just like my dad.
They didn't choose the easy path, they chose the path that interested them.
In the beginning, whenever the first day I came in, I did think it was going to be hard dealing with a lot of men, especially teenagers.
I only felt intimidated just because I know there's a lot of men mainly who pursue this career.
I was scared that I didn't know as much as the guys did.
I was more worried about how I was going to get treated and if I was going to get treated equal or not.
What started as uncertainty quickly turned into confidence.
I've been really comfortable. The guys are really nice to me.
It's not a classroom anymore. It's like a family. We all hang out after school, even if we're not from the same area.
Now, everyone treats me just like everyone else.
All the guys in here are like your brothers. Either they're older or they're younger than you. It's basically a big family and it's really fun.
In these classrooms, support matters more than stereotypes.
The construction world is all about learning and being capable of learning and wanting to learn more. So if it's a man or a woman that's showing you, it doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, you're all doing the same work.
Cars don't really care if you're a girl or a guy. It's just your skills. All that matters is your skills. So whatever you love, just do it.
Their message is simple.
I'd say just take it, because what is there to be afraid of? Women can basically do anything men can.
I say do it, don't be afraid. And if you are a little bit intimidated at first, just do your research, make sure it's something you really want to do so you can really lock in your future.
I would say just do it. Don't be afraid. Don't let boys intimidate you, because you're just as much of a good welder as any other guy.
So try something new, break the mold, build your future.